Welcome to Math for 6th grade. Lesson 87, Finding Unknown Something. So here today we're going to learn how we find unknown things. And of course today, since it's math, it's going to be unknown numbers. Let me take a look. This is, again, just like yesterday's lesson with 86, this is not difficult. We've actually been doing this for a number of months. Let me show you some examples. On page 453, if you'd like to follow along in your math books. All right, letter A, we have 6W is equal to 21. Go ahead and erase this here so we have a little workspace. 6W is equal to 21. Well, if you look at this, it's 6 times a number. In this case, we just pick W. I don't care what letter you pick, W. 6 times some number equals 21. Well, we want to isolate the W all by itself. So we have to do the inverse operation, the opposite operation in this case. So 6 times W, what's the opposite of times? It's divide. So instead of multiplying by 6, we have to divide by 6. What is the constant thing I tell you with fractions? If you do it to the top, you have to do it to the bottom. In this case, it works just the same with equations. If you do it to the left side of the equation, you have to do it to the right side. So you have 6W over 6 is equal to 21 over 6. Guess what this does? This crosses out our 6's. So now we have W is equal to 21 over 6. In this case, we need to do a little bit of reduction. How many 6's go into 21? Well, the answer there, of course, is 3. 3 times 6 is 18, which gives us 3 over 6, which of course is reducible to 3 1/2. And what you can do is you can actually plug that back into the equation of 6 times 3 1/2, and that equals 21. Let's look at letter B. 50 is equal to 3F. 50 is equal to 3F. Does it really matter what side your variable is on? The answer in this case is no. Left side or right side, it's all the same. In this case, what are we doing to the F? We're multiplying it by 3. What's the opposite of multiplication? Division. So we have to divide by 3 here, and so we divide by 3 over here, because whatever you do here, you gotta do here. So F is equal to 50 over 3. Now, of course, 50 over 3 is reducible. How many 3's go into 50? Well, that's a good question. There would be 16. 16 of them go in, and you're left with 2 over 3. 16 2/3 is equal to F. That's the letter B. Letter C is 5n is equal to 36. 5n is equal to 36. Again, what's the opposite of 5 times n? It's n divided by 5. Divide each side by 5 so we can get n all by itself. So we're equal to n is equal to 36 over 5, which gives us 7 1/5. So in that case, n is equal to 7 1/5. And that's today's lesson. Finding unknown numbers. This is all kinds of stuff, boys and girls, that you can do on your own. Have a great night.